the name of Allah. In this video, we will discuss about the Oxford Discover Workbook 4. So if you are using the English book and workbook Oxford Discover 4, so this video will be helpful for you. Now we are going to solve the unit number 1. Get ready. And the workbook page number 2, unit 1. Words, read and write. There are the 4 blank places. With the help of given words, we have to complete these 4 parts. That is, number 1 is given. This number 1 is given. And number 2, we will write moon. Number 2, we will write moon. And number 3, you have to write in number 3, comment. Number 3 will be comment. Number 4, asteroids. Number 4 is asteroid. Asteroids. This is part A. Now part B. Read and circle the correct answer. Read and circle the correct answer. This is part B. Number 1. Read and circle the correct answers. You can use this to look at stars. You can use this to look at stars. 3 choices are given. Number A, moon, B, telescope, and C, galaxy. So our answer is number B, telescope. Telescope will be our answer. Number 2, this can take you away from Earth. A, spacecraft, B, comet, C, meteoroid. So number 2, our answer is A, spacecraft. Number 3, this is a place where you can look at objects in the night sky. Number A, meteoroid, B, universe, C, observatory. So 3 will be observatory, means C will be the answer. Number 4, This is all of space, including the solar system and billions of galaxies. A. Asteroids. B. Comet. C. Universe. So number 4 answer will be C. C will be the answer of number 4. Now number 5. This is a rock that falls to Earth from space. A. Comet. B. Meteoroid. C. Galaxy. So the answer of number 5 is B. Meteoroid. Now we will solve part 3. And part 3 is circle true, T, and or false, F. Means if the statement is true, we have to circle T, and if the statement is false, we have to circle false. Number 1, a galaxy has many stars in it. This is correct or a true statement, so already T is circled. Now, number 2, use a telescope to look at things close to you, not close to us. So this is false, and I circled F. Number 3, Earth has more than one moon. So this is false, not a more than one moon. So circled F. Number 4, astronauts travel in a spacecraft. This is true, and I will circle T. Number 5, there are meteoroids on Earth. This statement is true, so we will circle T. Number 6, the universe has many galaxies in it. This statement is true, so I will circle T. An asteroid is made of gas. Number 7, an asteroid is made of gas. So this statement is false. So I circled F. Number 8, an observatory is for studying plants. Number 8, an observatory is for studying plants. This statement is false. I will circle F. Number 9, the sun is a star. This statement is true, so I will circle T. Number 10, a comet moves through space. Comet moves through space. This statement is true, so I will circle T. Our solar system has only one planet. This statement is false, so I will circle F. Hope this video will be beneficial for you. If you have any comments, ideas, or suggestions, please write in the chat box. Thank you for watching.